The final parameter we're going to talk about is the common mode rejection ratio, denoted CMRR, which modifies the output of our op-amp in the finite gain model. Our output of our op-amp was proportional to our gain, A, times the quantity V2 less V1. Now when we consider CMRR, our output is now A times the quantity V2 less V1 plus A sub Cm times the quantity V1 plus V2, all per 2. Where the third term in this expression is our common mode gain, ACM, times our common mode input voltage, V1 plus V2 per 2. Thus, the CMRR, or our common mode rejection ratio, is our gain per ACM. In doing such, we can modify our finite gain model to have the output of our VC, Vs be expressed as A, the gain of our VC, Cs, times the quantity 1 plus 1 per 2 CMRR times V2, less the quantity 1 minus 1 per 2 CMRR times V1.